Hey y'all, I'm in the grocery store and I just want to share with you the number 5 thing that fit girls who have more fun do differently. Fit girls who have more fun never go down this aisle. Look at all of this junk. Sugary, carbs, zero nutrition. Like, you get nothing out of this stuff. What? And look at how many different varieties there are. This is an entire aisle full of junk food and sugar. This should be labeled the candy aisle. If you're eating this stuff for breakfast, stop. This is not the way to good health. So cut out the sugary crap. Even this stuff. This stuff is marketed and labeled as healthy. This is bullshit right here. This is carbs, refined grains. This is not the way to start your day.